I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming the camera is physically connected and not covered. If it's a laptop, make sure the privacy shutter is open. Next, open Settings, go to Privacy, then Camera, and turn on Allow apps to access your camera so the OS can grant permissions. While you're there, scroll to the Desktop Apps list to confirm the app you need is enabled. Once done, open Device Manager to locate imaging devices or cameras, and note any yellow icons or code errors for the next step. You now resolve driver or service issues. In Device Manager, right-click the camera, choose Update Driver, then search automatically. If recent updates broke it, choose Roll Back Driver. Make sure Camera Frame Server service is running, open Services, find it, set Startup Type to Manual, and start it. Run the built-in hardware and devices troubleshooter, and then execute sfc/scano from an elevated command prompt to repair system files that might block the camera. Once these complete, reboot to apply changes and test the camera in the Camera app. Finish by uninstalling the camera device in Device Manager and rebooting so Windows reinstalls the driver fresh. If you have a manufacturer driver, reinstall that next. If you're on a work PC, verify group policy or registry restrictions aren't disabling the camera, and confirm antivirus privacy settings allow camera access. If it still fails, create a new local user account or perform a clean boot to isolate third-party conflicts. If nothing works, contact the hardware maker, but test with an external USB camera to rule out built-in hardware failure first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.